Let me show you why you must have your PC serviced periodically. Look at this PC. It's here, right here. These are dates. This right here is a reason why you must have your PC serviced periodically. This thing that I'm holding here, it is called heatsink. This is a cooling fan, so it comes this way. So this cooling fan works such that this heatsink is going to conduct heat from the CPU area to this side. Then this fan is going to blow cold air in order to cool the CPU that is here. And this is the CPU right here. So it is positioned this way, right here. So, and here is the CPU. The CPU gets heated up. Then the heatsink will conduct the heat. It will transfer the heat from here to this part. Then the fan is going to blow cold air in order to cool the CPU. Now, with that here, what happens? That means this fan will not effectively cool the CPU here. So that's why you're going to, the effect of that will be experiencing overheating. Your PC will get so much hot, unusually hot. At some other time, the PC will just strip off. So that is why it is important. It is imperative to have your PC serviced periodically. Now, this PC, the owner complained that the PC was making noise and it gets heated up. All right, so he sent it to me, and then I opened it up. Then I discovered that the PC has long due for servicing. To understand this clearly, you can picture a vehicle. Yeah, you see, a vehicle is now we have electric vehicle and we have ICE vehicle. ICE means internal combustion engine. So that means it uses this for either the four is PMS, or that is premium motor spirit, yes, PMS, or it is diesel. When the engine works, it will get heated up. So the engine requires to be cooled, otherwise the engine is going to knock. The oil that lubricates the parts will thin out, and before you know it, the engine will knock. So hence, there is a need for cooling system. Then here comes the coolant. All right, there is coolant and there is radiator. Right, the coolant goes into the engine, pass through the coolant gallery. Or if your vehicle uses water gallery, then goes through it, then back to the radiator. Then there is a fan that blows air against the radiator in order to cool the coolant. Exactly. So you can understand it that way. Imagine if the fan is not working or there's problem with the radiator, so it could not, the air that is blowing against it could not go in between the, is it the fins now? Yeah, those things right there that, facilitate the cooling of the coolant. So if it is blocked, what happens? So that means the coolant will not be effectively cooled. All right, so the vehicle, the engine will certainly, definitely, do overheating. Right. So the same thing also, it's applicable to AC that you use at home. Yeah, with AC as well, you have it serviced by removing the air filter, then clean it off. But if you fail to do that, you know how it's going to perform. It's going to perform poorly. And in the same vehicle as well, there is AC, right? To remove the filter and filter it to remove the dust, blah, blah. So it goes on and on, right? So servicing is not only in PC, it's general. It is very, very important, right? So that is why you must have your PC service periodically. And if you want to learn more about this, I just check my video. I've made, tons of video. I've actually explained PC cooling system under laptop repair masterclass. So you can watch it. Then you're going to understand it fully. What and what are required in servicing of a PC.